Modern civilization treats growth as virtue. More production, more consumption, more expansion. But nature does not reward unlimited growth. It rewards balance. Every stable system on Earth operates within boundaries. Forests grow until resources stabilize. Oceans regulate temperature through limits. Ecosystems collapse when growth exceeds regeneration. Human civilization is the only system that believes growth can continue indefinitely on a finite planet. This belief is not economic. It is psychological. Growth once meant survival. More food meant fewer deaths. More shelter meant resilience. More energy meant security. But the equation changed. Today, growth no longer serves survival. It undermines it. We extract faster than Earth can regenerate. We emit more waste than systems can absorb. We convert resilience into fragility by removing buffers. The planet is not failing. Our growth model is. Earth's crisis is not caused by people existing. It is caused by systems demanding constant expansion, regardless of consequence. Economic growth now competes with planetary stability. When those two collide, physics always wins. No civilization in history collapsed because it stopped growing. They collapsed because they grew beyond their carrying capacity. Earth restoration requires redefining success. Stability becomes the goal. Resilience becomes the metric. Regeneration becomes the measure of progress. A restored Earth does not maximize output. It optimizes continuity. Growth must become conditional, bounded, context-aware. This does not mean stagnation. It means intelligent adaptation. A civilization that survives is not the one that expands the fastest. It is the one that learns when to stop. Earth's future depends on replacing growth ideology with planetary stewardship. Survival is not infinite growth. Survival is balance maintained over time.